Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to push on GitHub. Pushing is the process of uploading your local changes to GitHub. It's essential for keeping your code backup and collaborating with others. Now in this video I'll guide you on how to push your changes to GitHub. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to initialize GitHub locally. And to do that, navigate to your project folder in the terminal. Go in here to your dashboard and click on projects. Now if you don't have a project, create one. You can just click here, click on create project, and here is the terminal. Now after that, initialize a local Git repository by entering the code git init. That's INIT. The second step is to add files to the Git. Stage your files for commit and then commit to the changes. You can commit to the changes with a descriptive message. And the fourth step, connect to remote repository. Now if you haven't already connected to remote repository, run this code. I'll type it in here. Just type in git remote add origin repository. URL. This is the code you want repository. It's missing an I. This is the code to connect a remote repository. As for the fifth and final step, push your changes. And you can push your changes to GitHub by this code right here. I'm gonna type it also. This uploads your this is the code this is the code right here. This uploads your commits to the main branch of your GitHub repository. Now if your repository is new, GitHub will ask you to set an upstream before pushing. So use this code. I'm gonna write it as well. And always pull before pushing to avoid merge conflicts by typing git pull origin main. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you push changes to GitHub. Initialize Git, add and commit files, and upload to your remote repository. And keep your projects updated and in sync with GitHub. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.